Couple coyotes on the way there. Hello. I take further trail to Prado Dam here at the intersection of 91 and 71. 71 is right here. So it's a few miles from Chino State Park. They have some pavement trail here, which is nice for like maybe a mile. That's a close video of the dam. Pretty nice. Bike trail on the other side. I'm gonna try to figure out how that connects there. I probably have to go across. I don't know. Probably not gonna do it today, but you can probably ride further up there, all the way there. Should be a pretty nice drive. Ride. I just make a little quick ride, and here's a path of the along the dam. So let's take maybe a mile ride here, see what it looks like. Be careful, do not fall. It's pretty nice. Little duck there, enjoying himself. I never came to so close to this dam here. We only drive by the freeway. I guess you can go down there and do some dipping. Water is pretty calm. Look like you can only come here by walking or biking.